So this just happened. Zillow came out and admitted that more than half of the homes in America are now worth less than they were a year ago. If you own a home, a retirement account, or just a few bucks in savings, this hits you. And if it feels like the rules keep changing and somehow it's always your savings that take the hit, you're not imagining it. Because right now, the industry is telling you, don't worry, this is normal. But at the exact same time, the biggest price drop since the last housing crash is rolling through the country. And here are the facts they are burying in the footnotes. 1, about half of all homes just took a price cut on paper. 2, in the hardest hit spots, the boom towns in the West and the South, values are down double digits. And 3, most longtime owners are still up from when they bought, but the trend line just snapped. And they call it a cool down. They call it a reset. But the math feels very different when it's your nest egg on the line. And to make this simple, look at it like this. Your house has a little stock ticker floating over the roof. Last year, almost every ticker in America was green. This year, half the screen just flipped red. Most people are still ahead from when they first bought in, but the scoreboard on the wall suddenly looks a lot uglier. And that messes with how safe your future feels. Because when home values wobble, banks get scared. They lend less. They cut credit lines. And your rock solid asset becomes illiquid. And here's the quiet part that no one is saying out loud. They cannot use the word crash. Not the big real estate sites, not the banks, not the folks in DC. If they do, buyers freeze up. Sellers panic and tax revenue drops. So they roll out softer words like normalization while more and more homes flip from green to red. And this isn't random, it's coordinated. The same institutions that pumped prices up with cheap money are now calling the come down no big deal while you hold the risk. They get paid on the transaction. You get stuck with the price. So what do? Well, this report unlocks 2 specific moves for you today. Number 1, if you are a buyer, you finally have real ammo. You can point to this data and say to a seller or to an agent who will relay that information on your behalf, look, prices are slipping. I'm not paying 2022 fantasy numbers in a 2025 market. And number 2, if you are an owner, this is your weapon against the property tax assessor. When the county sends you a bill saying your home value went up, you take this Zillow data that says values went down and you shove it right back at them. Do not let them tax you on phantom equity that even the cheerleaders at Zillow admit is gone. The market has shifted. You need to shift with it. And if you want to know exactly how to use this drop to lower your tax bill, I've got the toolkit right here. Check your address. Check the new value. Fight the bill at fightmyassessment.com, or just watch this quick video right here to see the power that you have at your fingertips to fight this madness. Either way, the link is below in the description too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.